Alright, you're welcome to CSS class. So today I'll be teaching us how to link our HTML with our CSS file. So to do that, if you click on the workspace, so we've created a folder earlier on for our project coding with HTML. Now we want to create a new folder for our CSS class. So tap on the plus button. So new folder, we write CSS class. So our CSS class, just save. So if you open the folder CSS class, so we want to create new file for this class. So new file we have, let me call it practical.html. So if we save it, so I will create another new file which I will name style.css. So if I open my practical.html, so let me create some snippets. For instance, let me have h1. Let me have my h1. Excuse me, my h1. Let me call it welcome to CSS class. Now I want to connect my HTML with my CSS file. I want to collect my CSS file with the HTML file. So I will come to the head tag, in between the head tag. So I will declare my link. I will write link, comma, link. So we write our rel, which is relationship. So the relationship is style sheet. So we declare another property which is href, hypertext reference. So inside the hypertext reference, we now name it we call it style dot css style.css. So we save for our work. So now we need to come back to the let me view it in the browser. See, welcome to CSS class. So I want to style the welcome to CSS class. So I will now go back to my style.css. I will go back to my style.css. So to do that, I will declare my h1. So I will introduce my curly bracket. So the h1 in CSS, the h1 serve as selector. So we use it to the h1. I use it to select any tag. I can put p, paragraph. I can put anything before the curly bracket. So it is just a selector to give an instruction to which part of the web page you want to style. So now I will declare my properties and value. So I want to color my h1, which is color. So I will give the value, let me say red, and I will close it with semicolon. which is very important. So we need to close our the code line with semicolon before you jump to another properties. So if you go back to our practical, let's view our work. You see it, welcome to CSS class. So the words are stone red because we style it with our CSS. So see you in the next class.